My name is Ajit Jha and I'm 36 years of age, Indian national. Suddenly my lower abdomen started, paining, and the pain was so severe that within a couple of minutes I was not able to bear it at all. I had to fall down on the floor and I had only one option to call ambulance. When I came, ambulance brought me over here to Fakeeh University Hospital and initial diagnosis confirmed that there is a blockage in the mesentery artery. The blockage was like it was nearly around 90% block. So it was a life-threatening concern, critical concern at that point. Finding the problem within a couple of hours time, amazing. And then the doctor Mohammed Raafat, our vascular surgeon, was immediately called, and I was taken to the operation theater or the procedure room. The timeliness, the response, the quick response, what we call it, was amazing. It showed like concern for people. This is now my second home, to be honest. I know each and every facility, from the radiology department to the Cath Lab to the medicine to the general ward, ICU. You talk to me, I've been everywhere like I'm a visitor. Facilities are up to the mark. Equipments, I don't understand medical equipments too much, but looking at the way it looks like big, gigantic and all those things, looks good. Rather 10 out of 10. The support staff like nurse, of course after doctor plays his role, the next role becomes our nurses, the sisters and brothers. That was my 8 days in ICU, so I was very close to them. The timeliness, the understanding of the instructions, medication, help or assistant to the patient, everything was up to the mark. Admin department used to visit me, everything all right, so everything shows that I'm not alone. If you are here in this facility, I can say that you're in the right hands. Everybody is near to you.